Good day everyone. Now we are going to solve problem that involving the mean value theorem. But before that, I want to recall the mean value theorem. So we have here let f be a function that satisfies the following hypothesis. So f is continuous on the closed interval ab and f is differentiable on the open interval ab. So there is a number c in AB such that f of c is equals to f of b minus f of a over b minus a, or equivalently to f of b minus f of a is equals to f of c times b minus a. So in this problem, we are going to assume that the mean value theorem is satisfied. So in this problem, we're gonna find the c such that the mean value theorem are satisfied. So we have here the f of x is equals to e to the power of x bounded to 0 and 1. So now, since we are going to since the mean value theorem are satisfied, so we're gonna have the formula of the mean value. So we have here the f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So substitute the value, or let a to be 0 and b to be 1. So substitute na to ang values of b and a. So we have here f of 1 minus f of 0 over 1 minus 0. And substitute the function, which is the e to the power of x. So we have here e to the power of 1 minus e to the power of 0 over 1 minus 0. So we have here the simplify. So we have here e minus 1. So next is we're gonna have to find the c. So to find the c, we have here the formula. The f of c is equals to e minus 1. So substitute the value of the function. So we have here e of c is equals to e minus 1, and we can use the logarithmic rule. So we have here c is equals to ln e minus 1. So therefore, the value of c is equals to ln e minus 1, as the mean value theorem of f of x is equals to e to the power of x bounded to 0 and 1 is satisfied.
And that's all for the mean value theorem.